Welcome fellow car lovers. The CR-V has been around for quite some time. Meanwhile, the Passport is a newer SUV that was made to be more rugged. Today, we are looking at both the Honda CR-V and the Honda Passport for the ultimate Honda SUV battle. Kind of like a battle between two brothers. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe, like the video and hit that bell icon. Now, let's start. Compact crossovers such as the 2025 Honda CR-V are in high demand, as they offer comfortable seating, decent fuel efficiency, and an easy-to-park profile. Honda's cheerful entry in this competitive SUV segment earns its place at the top because it also offers agile handling to accompany its practicality. The 2025 Honda Passport is the two-row SUV for pragmatists, with its no-nonsense styling, practical interior, and long list of features. What you won't find here is much fun or visual pizzazz. However, the Passport doesn't have the off-road capability of the Ford Bronco or the refinement of the Santa Fe. The Honda CR-V comes standard with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 190 horsepower as well as a 2.0-liter inline-4 hybrid making 204 horsepower. Both engine come standard with front-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive is also available. Maximum towing capacity is 1,500 pounds, while combined MPG rating is 31 to 36 miles per gallon. MSRP starts at $30,100 to $40,800. The 2025 Honda Passport comes with only one engine option and it is a 3.5-liter V6 producing 280 horsepower and comes standard with all-wheel drive. Maximum towing capacity is 5,000 pounds, while MPG rating is 19 city and 24 highway. MSRP ranges from $42,900 for the base EXL to $48,470 for the top Black Edition. When compared to the Passport, here are some pros the CR-V has. Unlike the Passport, the base CR-V is $10,000 cheaper than the base Passport. While the Passport is only available with an 8-inch infotainment, the CR-V is able to have a maximum of 9 inches of touchscreen. Lastly, the CR-V has better first and second seat legroom. Like other cars, the CR-V also has some cons. Unlike the Passport, which comes in only all-wheel drive, the CR-V comes standard with front-wheel drive. It also has an overall smaller interior cabin than the Passport, and with a smaller engine, the CR-V is drastically weaker when it comes to towing. Don't worry, the Passport also has some great aspects. Unlike the CR-V, the Passport is available with an off-road focused trim that includes off-road suspension and all-terrain tires. It also has more and better standard features such as power tailgate, blind spot monitor, heated seats, leather-trimmed seats and wireless phone charging. In terms of its drawbacks, the Passport doesn't actually have that many. Of course, unlike the CR-V, the Passport doesn't have an available hybrid engine. As a result, it also has lower MPG rating. It also doesn't have any sport exterior and interior styling unlike the CR-V and is not catered to as many people as it has less trim options. In summary, the 2025 Honda CR-V is ideal for those who prioritize fuel efficiency, ease of driving in urban environments, and a practical, well-equipped interior. It's perfect for small families or individuals who need a reliable and versatile, compact SUV. The 2025 Honda Passport is better suited for those who need more power, space, and off-road capability. It's a great option for outdoor enthusiasts, families who need more room, or anyone looking for a more capable vehicle. Don't forget the fact that it comes with more and better standard features. Which do you think is a better vehicle to buy? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.